Apple just changed the game. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just a phone, it's the future in your pocket. From AI superpowers to a camera that outshines professional gear, this device is built to blow your mind. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know: design, performance, camera, AI features, release date, and price. Let's dive in. The iPhone 17 Pro Max brings Apple's boldest design yet. With a slimmer titanium body, thinner bezels, and an almost all-screen front, this phone looks like it came straight from the future. The 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display is brighter, sharper, and more efficient than ever. With promotion up to 120 Hz, scrolling feels buttery smooth, whether you're gaming or just browsing. And for durability, the new ceramic shield protection is tougher than any smartphone glass before it. Inside, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is powered by Apple's A19 Bionic chip, their fastest and most powerful processor yet. This chip isn't just about speed, it's about intelligence. With next-level AI integration, it handles complex tasks instantly, from real-time translations to advanced photo editing. And for gamers, this phone delivers console-level performance in the palm of your hand. Battery life has also taken a leap forward, lasting hours longer than the previous model. Plus, with USB-C fast charging, you'll get a full day's power in just minutes. The camera system on the iPhone 17 Pro Max is on another level. Apple has introduced a new periscope zoom lens, giving you crystal-clear shots even from a distance. Low-light photography has been dramatically improved, so your night shots will look stunning without extra editing. Cinematic video mode is now smarter, automatically adjusting focus like a professional film crew. And with AI enhancements, the phone can retouch photos in real time, making every shot social media ready instantly. Running on iOS 19, the iPhone 17 Pro Max introduces smarter software than ever. Siri is now fully AI-powered, capable of holding natural conversations, remembering context, and even handling tasks before you ask, like setting reminders, drafting messages, or adjusting settings based on your habits. Augmented reality tools have also leveled up, with real-time object recognition, spatial anchoring, and smoother rendering that make it easier to interact with the world around you. From immersive gaming and interior design to live language translation and virtual collaboration, the new adaptive widgets automatically adjust based on time, location, and activity, while privacy features like Secure Sight intelligently blur sensitive info during screen sharing. It truly feels less like a phone and more like a proactive, intuitive personal assistant in your pocket, learning with you, anticipating your needs, and staying out of the way when you just want to focus. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is expected to launch in September 2025, following Apple's well-established full release pattern, likely during the highly anticipated awe-dropping event on September 9th. Pricing is expected to start around $1,199 for the base model, which includes 256 gigabytes of storage. Higher-tier configurations, including 512 gigabytes, 1 TB, and possibly even to terabytes, are expected to be available, with prices rising accordingly, potentially reaching up to $1,799 for the top-tier variant. Pre-orders will likely open just a few days after the launch announcement, with in-store and online availability expected within 1 to 2 weeks. As with previous Pro Max models, supply may be limited at launch, especially for the most popular color and storage combinations, so early pre-orders are recommended for those looking to get their hands on it quickly. So there you have it, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Sleek design, unbeatable performance, next-level cameras, and AI features that push the limits of what a smartphone can do. What do you think? Is this the ultimate iPhone upgrade, or is Apple just repeating history? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love discovering the latest tech, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more.